Leo waits at the bus stop. The bus is late again. He checks his watch. He feels tired and hungry. He wants to complain. But instead he prays quietly. God, help me be patient. He remembers a verse from the Bible. Be patient then and stand firm. Leo takes a deep breath. He watches the sky and listens to the birds. A few minutes later, the bus comes. He smiles and gets on. Patience isn't always easy. But Leo is learning to wait with peace. God is helping him grow.